Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $100 welcome Forex bonus brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's welcome bonus is a promotional offering extended to new clients who open trading accounts with the broker. These bonuses come in various forms, such as deposit bonuses or no deposit bonuses, and can be an appealing way for novice and experienced traders to start their Forex journey with additional capital or benefits. Traders should carefully read and understand the terms and conditions associated with these bonuses to ensure that they make informed decisions when selecting a Forex broker. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with a $100 welcome bonus can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $100 welcome Forex bonus brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions. Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. IronFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources to empower traders in South Africa and beyond. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of IronFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. At number 4 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. InstaForex offers a variety of bonus offerings to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These bonuses are designed to provide traders with extra value and opportunities to maximize their trading potential. These bonuses include welcome bonuses, no deposit bonuses, a 55% bonus, a club bonus, and more. Traders who are interested in enhancing their trading journey can explore these bonuses to potentially increase their trading capital and profitability. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTick Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Coming in at number 3, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a cent account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low-risk, low-cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. And there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. FBS offers enticing promotional offers as well, such as their deposit bonus, which is a limited time promotion allowing traders to enjoy a 100% deposit bonus, effectively doubling their initial investment. With this generous offer, FBS aims to empower traders by providing them with additional funds to enhance their trading experience and potentially maximize their profits. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts. With swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. At number 2 on our list is Forex Chief. Forex Chief is a leading online Forex broker renowned for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive trading services. catering to traders in Asia and beyond. Forex Chief offers a secure and accessible platform for individuals to participate in the dynamic foreign exchange market. The broker offers an extensive array of market instruments to cater to the diverse trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a wide range of financial assets across global markets, which include Forex, commodities, CFDs based on indices, as well as stocks. Forex Chief's platform is equipped with essential tools and resources, ensuring traders can navigate these diverse market instruments with ease and confidence. The broker offers an array of enticing bonus promotions also, designed to enhance the trading experience for clients. The specific details of these bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions, so traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Forex Chief mobile application. Accounts are featured on Cent, Classic Plus, DirectFX, and the X Prime account, with Islamic account options available. By offering a variety of account types, Forex Chief ensures that traders can select an option that aligns with their trading goals and expertise. Forex Chief is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully designed to cater to traders of all levels, providing valuable insights and knowledge to enhance their trading skills. These educational materials include articles, tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, and cover essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management strategies, and trading psychology. By integrating these resources into their trading journey, traders can gain a deeper understanding of market trends, make informed decisions, and ultimately improve their trading performance. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $100 welcome Forex bonus brokers, we have Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade Zero and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. And those are some of the top 5 best $100 welcome Forex bonus brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.